Hey guys, what's up? How are you? Mambo vipi? Karibuni sana katika channel yangu. This is Anna Mary from Anna Mary's World. If you're new here or if you haven't already, first of all, karibu. You're very welcome to my channel. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like and comment. I almost forgot that part. Yeah, otherwise karibuni sana. So today we're at my new place. And you guys, if I tell you it's been a whole lot of things to do, I'm not even joking. It's been a lot of things to do. Like I was saying, to start with, I don't mind getting such a small place, like 2 rooms apartment, because first of all, I just didn't realize it until now that it's quite hard to find a house with or an apartment during winter season, because I think most people just don't move during this time. And this is the first time that I've had to move or like at this time, like during the winter season. So it's not been easy, which means I could only go for something like whatever I got that looks decent to me. I thought, you know what, let me just take it, because next year in my 3rd trimester, when I'm like, who knows in what condition and just big and like tired all the time, I don't want to start, like that's when I start moving out and looking for stuff. I'd rather do it now when I'm like energetic. Like I get tired, but I'm not sick, and I feel like it's like I can work. I can work. I get tired, but I can I can push through. It's all right. I feel like next 3rd trimester gets worse. I guess I don't know, but I don't want to, you know. I want to be prepared. Like by next year, I have everything sorted out. I've got my furniture in the house. I'm in my place, because I'm gonna also have to get a midwife. Normally, yeah, around the 8th month or the 9th month, you get a midwife who visits you at your place and takes care of you and all of that. So yeah. So for the most part, this video is going to be with just pictures and voiceovers, because I need to, if you hear any like the noise in the background, my partner is already cleaning. I need to also get changed and start, arranging stuff, and I'm gonna show you guys how it will look like in the end. But so far, every room, I don't know if I've shown you guys, both rooms are quite empty. The kitchen is the only thing that has like, at least there's furniture in, there's the cabinets in there, but still I'm going to arrange them a bit more, and do the toilet and just mop the floor. That's basically it, because there's nothing that has arrived as far as furniture, like beds or anything, so it's quite empty. Whew. I just had to do this intro real quick before getting dirty. So you guys come along with me and let's get to arrange my new apartment together. So this is how empty the kitchen was before. This was me getting the whole kitchenette on eBay. And this is when the guys were working on the kitchen, just putting up the cabinets and just fixing all these things, you know what I mean? And this is the final look, you guys. I was so in love with this kitchen, y'all. Like, just I couldn't picture how like this whole thing would fit into this small space, because mind you, it looks really narrow, but I'll make do with it. And it's not complete yet. I want to put a dining table, but a very mini one with 2 seats or so, and I want to put another like a kitchen shelf to hold my microwave and every other like electronic stuff. Here's where I arrange my spices, and here's a sneak peek into my mini refrigerator, you guys. That's it. So come along with me as I start my cleaning. But wait. Before this, if you know me, you know I've got to burst some moves. Hey! Yep. So I started with sweeping, and then I did mopping, and then I did the windows. But guess what? This is all I did on this day. Like, I thank God for help. God, I thank you for help. If I tell you I did not scrub anything, I don't take it for granted. So thanks to my partner, like he did all the scrubbing in the toilet, bathroom, the kitchen. So something else I'll do, which you'll see at the end of the video, is just me arranging the kitchen stuff, everything we bought, yeah? Like unpacking, unboxing everything, and just arranging them in the right places, like right cabinets and right compartments, you know what I mean? And that's it. It was a long day, but we thank God. So in the meantime, I'm going to let you guys enjoy the rest of the video with some background music, of course. And since I couldn't make it with creating an outro for this video, I might as well just sign out now. Yeah, I think I explained everything we're about to, or rather everything you're about to see in this video, like as unboxing, as cleaning, you know what I mean? So nothing will be strange to y'all. But this is me signing out already. Thank you so much for tuning in. I love you guys. Thank you for supporting me. If you're watching this video and you haven't yet subscribed, please do consider subscribing. And if you enjoyed it or you liked it, please don't forget to click the like button and leave a comment down below. I'd love to interact with you guys. If you got questions, whatever it is, I'd love to interact with you, okay? Thank you so much. Stay blessed. God loves you. Take care of yourselves, okay? Take care of yourselves. Like, drink water, stay hydrated. I'm so crazy. Until next time, yeah, peace out.